community. Thank you so much, sir, for welcoming us. You see, it's always good to talk with experts. From hearing your voice, I do quite understand the route you are coming from, your concerns, and the health care system that you run in your communities. I do appreciate that, because that is how we work in also United States. When there is no logistical plan, things doesn't work that very well. And I'm actually more happier to hear that there is certain things you guys have to be sure that people that are coming to give you aids to give, so that they will not be contraindicated to the health of the indigenous. That is marvelous. We never heard such a thing. So I'm proud to say, I'm proud to be, to hear this from Ebonyi State, that is logistics and the way health system works here. So come and see you before. We believe that the Rotary Club were leading us to Ebonyi State. Your plans as a healthcare commissioner, your plans, maybe in future, we do it the right way. Igbo land have been in existence for over 13 years, AIDS, sickle cell, cancer society, children cancer society, children hospitals, shelters, women's shelter, homeless people, because what you guys have here, we have more. But all that, from state to state, we decided last year, 2017, we're going to take it to our own people back home. Our main vision is to bring women empowerment, children, youth development, and bring so much needed unity and peace within the Igbo community by unifying a strong family tie between husband and wife. Most of us are married with children. So what your concern in your community is our almost the same concern that we have. Our vision is that tomorrow we will have the leaders of tomorrow that are good and healthy, and they are no nuisance to the community. That was why we started coming to Nigeria. Last year, we did all around the whole 7 Igbo states of Nigeria. We came to Ebonyi State, but we went to my 4, where there was children, mothers who have babies, but they don't have money to be pay their bills. We paid over 10 children mothers. Some of them have been locked up in the hospital for months because they can't pay their bill. We also give aids, have about every indigene that come over, 500 and something, were given a bag of rice to take home. We did that. We saw Rotary Club and Enugu State, in Ebonyi, Enugu State. We just came back from Delta. We heading to Osako and Imo State for the Children Center, all planned throughout the year. The only problem we had is that the logistic you are talking to was not well properly done in Ebonyi State. If not, you shouldn't have had problem. Now, coming to the lateness of today, our doctors have already left since morning. They were here at 9:30. If there was a logistic like you said, they will probably see. That is what Delta did yesterday. Yeah. No, so you can see what I'm trying to say. Before we got to the ground, all the patients have already seen by the nurses and reviewed by the doctors. All they were waiting is medication. That's why when Dr. Okwi, what is it, from United States, about 3 days ago, and we have run 3 programs already. So the logistics, and I do understand that. But I promise you, if there is any free time within the time before we leave, then we'll come back. Because it will be my joy that your community benefits from these free medical needs and aids. And then here we have, you introduce yourself.
Elizabeth Delta from
No.
Aruchukwu, Abia State,
New Jersey, and she's our Secretary General, but now she has a new position as the Vice President. And you are?
Juliet Agusi KJ from Asaba, Coordinator Tyson Mission in Nigeria.
All right. So,
from Nigeria. My name is Atu Oke from Nigeria.
And Mrs. Prince Paul from
My name is Dr. Chukwuka Ibnoha from Enugu.
Patrick Adaba from Nigeria.
My name is Atawanke from Nigeria.
My name is Engineer Prince Paul. I'm here. I'm going to
My name is Isabella Gibbons from Nigeria.
Antonia Obie from Enugu.
Rotoriani Jome from Anambra State.
Dr. Kwijara Noah for UNTH.
Dr. Oboke, a lecturer in College of Medicine, Igbo State University.
I am Commissioner for Health, Ebonyi State.
I always find a way of making use of what is in the field. Like she told you, let us go and review her program and see the possibility of making a repeat. I will contact you later. And if there's any situation that's any problem from there, I'll let you know, sir. Sorry, you have to take a leave, madam.
yes,
Good.
yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
much. Yes.
Your love is patient. You feel my heart.